the EU warranty and guarantee label for PrestaShop. Set a brand once and reuse it across every product. Bulk edits are checked before anything is written. The output adapts to your theme, not the other way around. And you always see how much of the catalog is covered. This is what your customer sees. Let us walk through it. Installing the module works like any other PrestaShop module. Open the module manager, click Upload a module, and drop in the release zip. It installs right away, and the dialog takes you straight into the configuration. Everything the module does sits behind one tab bar. The dashboard shows how much of the catalog is covered and any order where the record could not be written. CSV export and import handle bulk edits outside the shop with a preview before anything is written. Manufacturer templates let you maintain a brand once and reuse it across every product that carries it. One template holds duration, provider, address, and conditions, with overrides where a language needs its own wording. Applying it to products is a separate confirmed step. The presentation tab adapts the output to your theme: card, plain or banner, your own colors, and a preview that follows every choice. Settings is where the module is switched on, scoped, and constrained. Emergency off, test mode, fallback language, customer groups. Settings decide where the output appears, which hooks carry the legal notice, and where on the product page the Guaran label sits. And where the Guaran label goes on the product page, in the cart, or in a hook of your own. Order evidence has a retention period. The purge only ever touches rows past it, and active legal holds are always kept. Product management holds the whole catalog. 19 products, 9 carrying a label, 10 still untouched. Search by name or reference, filter by status, and apply the assigned manufacturer template to a whole selection at once. Every row shows the manufacturer, the stored duration, and when the entry was last reviewed. Open a product and you choose where its data comes from, the manufacturer template or values of its own. Duration, brand, model identifier, producer, and address, plus an internal note and the date of the last compliance check. On the right, the official label preview follows the form. What you see there is what the customer gets. Conditions are kept per shop language, and one action copies the product data onto every combination. Expert mode adds 4 more tabs. The risk scanner finds products that promise a guarantee their data does not back. Reports export what you had to check: active products, errors, missing translations, and assets. Cron keeps those checks running behind a bearer token that never appears in a URL. And the hook diagnosis tells you what actually works in your theme before you go live. In the shop, the label sits with the product, duration, brand, and a link into the details. One click opens the official label filled with that product's data, together with the guarantee conditions. The same entry follows the basket. It appears on the cart line and again in the checkout summary, so the guarantee stays visible right up to the order. That is the EU warranty and guarantee label. Maintain the data in one place, show it where it belongs, and keep the record of what the customer was told. Install it, switch it on, and see it in your own shop.